Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. After that, find the chat on which you want to turn off Vanish mode. Then tap on it. After that, tap on its username. Next, tap on privacy and safety. Then you can see the option of Vanish mode. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.